In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Wix. This is a crucial step if you're looking to accept payments on your website, offering your customers a seamless and secure way to pay you online. Whether you're setting up a new site or enhancing an existing one, connecting a reliable payment processor like Stripe can make a world of difference for your business. To get started, you'll first need to access your payment settings within Wix. Begin by logging into your Wix account. Once you've signed in, you will land on your site's dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Wix site, from editing content to monitoring site traffic. Look for the section labeled Get Paid. Under this section, you'll find an option that says Accept Payments. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can manage and integrate various payment methods. It's all about making things convenient and easy for both you and your customers. Now let's move on to the second step, where we'll focus on connecting Stripe. Once you're in the Accept Payments menu, you'll notice several options available for payment processors. Locate Stripe within the credit card section. Stripe is a popular choice for online businesses due to its flexibility and robust features, and it's integrated seamlessly with Wix. You'll see a Connect button next to Stripe. Go ahead and click that. This will initiate the process of linking your Stripe account with your Wix site. Connecting Stripe is quite straightforward. When you click Connect, you will either be prompted to sign in to your existing Stripe account or create a new one if you haven't already signed up. If you need to create a new Stripe account, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes, and you'll be guided step by step to ensure that everything is configured properly. Once you've logged in or registered, Wix will handle the rest, integrating Stripe into your site's payment options. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, your Wix site is now equipped to accept payments via Stripe, enabling your customers to pay using a credit card with ease and security. Remember, connecting a reliable payment system like Stripe not only enhances the trust your customers have in your business, but also streamlines your payment processing, freeing you to focus on other important aspects of running your business. And that's how you connect Stripe to your Wix site, making it ready to start accepting payments efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your Wix site.